Welcome back. I'm trying to rebuild my design portfolio with AI, so I waste the time. You don't need to. Let's find the best practices together throughout this experiment. Clearly, nobody knows the future of AI. The Uber CEO just said that they burned a whole year of AI budget in 4 months, and now they need to think of a solution moving forward. We need to remember AI is not free. It actually costs tons of manual labor to modify the workflow. This video shows so clearly that we need to be productive with AI. If we don't, AI will burn tokens like crazy on the most basic steps. The goal for this video is get the text from my existing portfolio so I can optimize the storytelling. Sounds so easy, right? Now let's jump in. Here's my current website. I actually really like my current website. I just want to see if AI can make it even better. Here's a prompt. I already created the folder and put my website screenshots in there, and also abstract the text from my website. So immediately Cloud AI want me to change my settings. So let's go ahead. Cloud AI is actually giving me different options. I'm just gonna follow through and commit. Somehow it cannot access to my public website. I'm giving the backdoor to my Webflow website. Here, Cloud just stopped working. So I'm double checking if it's just quitting on me. I give a prompt to be continue. Then Cloud started again. I can see the homepage screenshot is actually captured in my local download folder. So Cloud here is trying to upload this file into the browser. We're out of the limit, so we'll have to wait for tomorrow. Now let's take a look at the screenshot Cloud gave me. Right off the bat, I think it's missing some content. Like half the page is empty. How that's a valid screenshot? I learned my lesson. Cloud AI actually burns so much token while doing the screenshots that's actually not qualified. The second day, I did all the screenshots. I want to save all the tokens. Let's try these two screens first. Decent result. It got the text out of the screenshots. So let's do the rest of the screenshots. Lesson learned, abstract text from screenshots is easy for AI to do. Remember, I created a doc for Cloud to put the text in. So now I'm prompting to ask the AI to place the text in my doc. I got the text in. So this is a valid workflow that I figured out. Now I'm basically mass producing all other screenshots I have, like the case studies, into my doc. This time, Cloud AI actually finished the job, completing the text abstraction from my website to Google Doc. We learn something new every day. Some creators just show how quickly AI can work, and it can do your work while you're sleeping, make it sound more magical than what it is. In conclusion, if some tasks are easy, like taking screenshots, then you should do it yourself. We still have an ethic obligation to save our planet instead of wasting resources on easy jobs. It's counterintuitive. AI is branded to be good at helping you with low-hanging fruits, but that's not the reality. Next time, we will think about how to optimize our portfolio storytelling on the homepage. See you next time. Bye.